Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, so here is the experiment of the price comparison of a Big Mac large meal plus a large Coke from McDonald's for $9.15. And this would only feed for one person. So we're doing a price comparison compared to HEB spaghetti, pasta, zucchini, and black beans. A nutritional meal that is less than $5. And here we go. Here's the presentation. Black beans, sauteed zucchini, lightly oiled pasta. So all of this amount of food for less than $5 will feed a family of 8 or a person of 1 for about 1 meal for a week. Almost $10 of McDonald's, which is no nutritional advantage at all, and will only feed you one person for one person.